I am Rizardini and today I will be your guide to explore one of tourism in my place. Because I live in Lombok in West Nusa Tenggara, so I will explore one of my favorite tourism and it's quite popular for some people here. If you want to feel amazed by the nature of Lombok Island, I think you need to visit Benang Kelambu because it's really beautiful waterfall in Indonesia or maybe in the whole world. Actually, there are a lot of kind of waterfall in Lombok Island, but Benang Kelambu is the best choice to you. Well, if you want to see my journey, keep watching. Hi guys! Before travel to Benang Kelambu, I have several traveling tips for you. First of all, make sure to bring dry clothes and towel. Second, if visiting Benang Kelambu during rainy season, make sure to bring a raincoat. Third, be careful when walking under the waterfall because the stone can be so slippery and sharp. Fourth, make sure to wear shoes or rubber sandals that won't make you slip. 5. When take a picture, make sure the camera is protected from the waterfall splashes. 6. To keep the waterfall area clean, don't even throw any trash around the waterfall or anywhere in the area. And the last one is recommended to leave the waterfall before it gets dark. The location of Benang Kelambu is at Berik village, Batukliang Utara subdistrict, Central Lombok Regency. To enter this place, you need to pay about 5,000 rupiah. And for parking area, you also need to pay about 5,000 rupiah. Best time to visit, Benang Kelambu is open for public at 9 am and closed at 12 pm. Hi guys, so I just arrived in Benang Kelambu and from the gate we have to walk around 500 meters to get to the waterfall. Let's go! Alright, in the middle of the jungle we got this view. It's really beautiful view, right? Yeah. You know guys, it's really very long journey and I'm getting so tired. Guys, and now I'm in the middle of the jungle and it's quiet. There's no people around here.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me.
Hi, for your information, you can buy some foods in the middle of the jungle, like you buy some snacks, and you also can buy water, candy, and another.
If you fall, I will be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gonna do. Know that I want you. You know that I need. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like. That's what I like about you. That's what I like about. 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 Together forever, forever flies. We will forget what we know. Just jump in and let's go for a ride. All through the night, all through the day. Turn up the lights, show me the way. You are what I want and I want what I already got. You come through the room. I know that you know if you.
It's really beautiful view because you can feel the fresh air, the beautiful panorama. Hi guys. guys, if you want to enter this place, you have to pay about 2,000 rupiah. Okay guys, I will tell you the history of Benang Kelambu. Benang Kelambu or Kelambu means it's like a curtain in a window. Hi guys, in this place you also can find several facilities like rest area like this. There are a lot of trash can. So you cannot throw away your rubbish anywhere.
Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past.
Thank you everyone for watching my video, and don't forget to support this channel by like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.